Imagine stepping into a world of unparalleled luxury, where every detail is meticulously crafted. Welcome to an estate that sprawls majestically in the heart of the city, a sanctuary of opulence that is a seamless fusion of modern and classic architecture. Picture a domicile where every brick, every beam, and every tile is an ode to the craftsmanship of an era gone by, yet harmoniously melded with the sleek lines and minimalist elegance of contemporary design. This is not just a residence, it's a marvel that defies the confines of ordinary living. Imagine a grand entrance that captivates and charms, a welcoming prelude to the grandeur that lies within. As you step through the imposing doors, you are greeted by a lush landscape that is a riot of colors, a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. The manicured lawns, the thriving foliage, and the tranquil water features all come together to create a breathtaking tableau that is both soothing and stimulating. As you venture further, you encounter an opulent foyer that leaves you spellbound. The focal point of this space is a sparkling chandelier, a dazzling spectacle that cascades from the ceiling, casting an ethereal glow throughout the room. It's a sight to behold, a bewitching dance of light and shadow that infuses the area with a surreal charm. Your gaze then falls on the sweeping staircase, a grand structure that swirls upwards, a symphony of form and function. And if that isn't enough to captivate you, the floor-to-ceiling windows that envelop the home will surely take your breath away. These expansive panes flood the home with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that is both luxurious and homely. Yes, this estate is an opulent oasis, a sanctuary that is as much a feast for the senses as it is a testament to the limitless possibilities of luxury living. A place where opulence isn't just about grandeur, but about the meticulous attention to detail, the thoughtful design, and the harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. This opulent oasis is a testament to the limitless possibilities of luxury living. Now, transport yourself to a home that embodies the epitome of contemporary elegance. Picture a sprawling abode where the lines between indoors and outdoors blur seamlessly, a space where light and air flow freely through an open floor plan, accentuating its minimalist design. This is not just a house, it's a testament to the allure of modern simplicity. As we delve deeper into the heart of this residence, we find a living room that defies convention. High ceilings that seem to reach for the sky, and expansive glass walls that invite the outside in, create a sense of boundless space. The room is anchored by a sleek fireplace, a warm hearth that brings a touch of coziness to the cool, clean lines of the room. Moving on, we enter a gourmet kitchen that could rival any professional chef's culinary playground. It's a symphony of stainless steel and polished granite, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. Here, form meets function in a dance of design and utility, creating a space that's as efficient as it is aesthetically pleasing. But the true jewel of this modern masterpiece is the stunning master suite. It's a sanctuary within a sanctuary, complete with its own private terrace that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The adjoining bathroom, reminiscent of a high-end spa, is a haven of relaxation, featuring a deep soaking tub and a rainfall shower that washes away the worries of the world. Every corner, every angle of this house is infused with cutting-edge technology, ensuring absolute comfort and convenience. It's a home where the latest innovations meet timeless design, where every detail is deliberately and thoughtfully designed. This is what modern luxury looks like, a contemporary masterpiece that marries form and function. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle statement, a testament to the transformative power of design, and a beacon of what's possible when creativity knows no bounds. It's the embodiment of contemporary elegance, a place where the future feels like home. Next, let us take you back in time to a home that exudes old-world charm and sophistication. We're stepping into a historical gem, a mansion, brimming over with stories and secrets from a bygone era. This home is a testament to time, where the past and the present meet in a symphony of elegance and grandeur. As we move through the mansion, the architectural details, masterfully preserved, transport us to a time of opulence and grace. Perhaps the most striking feature is the ornate woodwork, a testament to the craftsmanship of yesteryears. Each hand-carved detail, each intricate pattern, tells a tale of the artisans who poured their heart and soul into this magnificent structure. The heart of this historical gem is its stately library. Picture rows upon rows of antique books, their spines lined with gold leaf, nestled in towering mahogany shelves. The library, with its rich, warm hues and the faint scent of aged paper, is a sanctuary for the mind and soul. Now, imagine warming up next to one of the many marble fireplaces. The flickering flames dance, casting a comforting glow on the antique furniture that adorns the room. Each piece is a testament to the timeless elegance and sophistication that this mansion exudes. As we ascend the grand staircase, we encounter the well-appointed bedrooms. These sanctuaries offer a blend of comfort and luxury, with plush furnishings, vintage-style bathrooms, and panoramic views of the manicured gardens. These gardens, a riot of color and scent, are the perfect backdrop to this historical gem. The gardens are an Eden of tranquility, meticulously manicured, with a variety of plants and flowers that bloom all year round. The soft rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle babbling of a nearby brook all add to the idyllic setting. Indeed, this historical mansion is more than just a home. It is a piece of living history, a testament to a time when beauty and elegance were intertwined. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where every corner, every detail whispers tales from the past. This historical gem reminds us of the enduring allure of classic elegance. It's a living testament to the idea that true beauty and sophistication are timeless, transcending the boundaries of the past, the present, and the future. Finally, let us whisk you away to a tropical paradise where luxury and nature coexist. Imagine waking up to the soft murmur of the ocean waves, the scent of the salty sea mingling with the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers. This is no ordinary home. It's a stunning beachfront property that seamlessly blends the comforts of a high-end resort with the beauty of its natural surroundings. As you make your way through the home, you'll find airy and spacious living areas, perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding. The open-plan design allows the tropical breeze to flow freely, while floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views of the azure ocean beyond. Every detail, from the tastefully selected furniture to the elegant light fixtures, exudes an air of sophistication and elegance. Step outside, and you're greeted by a gourmet outdoor kitchen, ready to cater to all your culinary desires. Whether you're in the mood for a casual barbecue or a sumptuous seafood feast, this space has you covered. And what better place to enjoy your meal than by your private infinity pool, where the water seems to merge with the ocean in an endless expanse of blue. The luxurious bedrooms are sanctuaries of peace and comfort. Each one features floor-to-ceiling windows that invite the outside in, so you can drift off to sleep under the stars and awaken to the sunrise over the sea. But the opulence doesn't end there. This home also boasts resort-style amenities that elevate your living experience to new heights. Indulge in a relaxing treatment at your home spa, or start your day with an invigorating workout in your fully equipped gym. And after a day of sun and surf, rinse off in your private outdoor shower surrounded by lush tropical foliage. This tropical paradise is where luxury meets tranquility. It's more than just a home, it's a lifestyle, a retreat, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the everyday world and immerse yourself in a world of beauty, comfort, and luxury. This tropical paradise is where luxury meets tranquility. We've traversed through varying styles and concepts of luxury living. We've seen the heights of opulence, the edge of contemporary design, the allure of history, and the serenity of tropical paradise. Each home we've explored today represents a unique interpretation of luxury, a different facet of what it means to live life at its grandest. Let's take a moment to reminisce about our journey. We began with the opulent oasis, a home that truly dazzles with its lavish embellishments, intricate designs, and sumptuous comfort. Every corner of this home was a testament to the power of grandeur, proving that luxury can be both bold and beautiful. Next, we ventured into the realm of modern elegance with a contemporary masterpiece. This home was a celebration of sleek lines, innovative design, and state-of-the-art amenities. It showcased how luxury can seamlessly blend with functionality, creating a living space that is as practical as it is plush. Our journey then took us back in time to a historical gem. This home, steeped in history and brimming with character, demonstrated that luxury isn't just about newness or ostentation, it's also about preserving and appreciating the past, cherishing the charm of bygone eras while enjoying modern comforts. Finally, we escaped to a tropical paradise, a home that epitomizes tranquility and harmony with nature. With its lush surroundings and serene atmosphere, this home showed us that luxury can also mean peace, quiet, and a deep connection with the natural world. In essence, luxury living is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a spectrum, a diverse range of experiences, each with its own appeal and charm. It's about expressing individuality, embracing personal style, and creating a space that truly feels like home. These homes are more than just places to live. They are experiences, embodiments of our deepest desires and aspirations. This is the world of luxury living.